Hi guys, it's like today I'm going to show you guys my Going Back toy collection so far. Of course I have my two ugliest pet shops that I cannot find. Other than that I have this little yes dummy. Oh yes, and I keep everything kept in my living room. I have of course my Minecraft figures with their little paper parts. I have my frozen banana stickers. This little cat pet. This little neighbor. My Jurassic Park. This wonderful adorable Palace pet. My Shopkins Follett. And my Shopkins figure.